condition. Today I am going to discuss a very important concept, spherical mirrors. In the previous videos I discussed only plane mirrors. In this video I discuss spherical mirrors. For example, I draw the sphere. For example, this is the spherical shape. Sphere. In this sphere, some part coated with silver. Some part coated with silver. Then Telugulo kalai antaru. Then some part is silvering. This part is called spherical mirror. Spherical mirror. If some part is nothing but the spherical mirror. In the physics, generally spherical mirrors are two types. First mirror is concave mirror. Okay. Second mirror is convex mirror. Here first mirror is called concave mirror. Second mirror is called convex mirror. Here, look here now. In this video, I discuss concave mirror. Here, look here. This one side coated with silver. This is called principal axis generally. This is called principal axis. Here in the this is the some part of the sphere. We draw imaginary sphere based on curved surface. This is the curved surface. Based on curved surface, we imagine a perfect sphere. This is here sphere. In the sphere, this is the center. Okay, this is the center. Here, these are light rays. In the chapter named ray optics, in this chapter, light propagated in the form of straight lines and reflected here. Reflected rays towards the center. Reflected rays towards the center. This mirror is called concave mirror. Here once again I repeat, concave mirror means reflected surface nearer to the center. Here in the mirror, here this is the inside coating is reflecting surface. So ఇది nearer to the center. So that's why this mirror is called concave mirror. Another mirror is called convex mirror. This is the principal axis. Here, look here. Here coating is here. Look here. This imaginary sphere is drawn here based on curved surface. Here imaginary surface is drawn. In the imaginary surface, this is called center of the sphere. Here these rays, here this is the reflecting surface. These reflecting surface is far from center of the sphere. This mirror is called convex mirror. Mana language light fall guntalaga padte, that mirror is called concave mirror. Okay na, light fall on the ubbettu meeda padte, that mirror is called convex mirror. Simply in the material, this says the reflecting surface nearer to center aithe concave mirror. The reflecting surface far to center aithe, that is called convex mirror. Convex mirror. Okay. Next I discuss some basics in the mirrors. Look here. Look here, all of it. This is the, for example, this is the concave mirror. Here, concave mirror. This axis is called principal axis. Okay, principal axis. Based on the curved surface, we draw imaginary sphere. In the imaginary sphere, center point is called, once again I repeat, in the imaginary sphere, center point is called C. C is called center of curvature. center of curvature. Here in this mirror, mirror on the mirror, middle point is called pole. P-O-L-E, pole nana. It is denoted generally P. Once again I repeat, the center point on the mirror is called pole, and again center of the imaginary sphere is called center of the curvature. Simply pole nunchi center of the curvature kuna distance. Once again repeat nana, the distance between pole to center of curvature is nothing but the r nana. Here r is called radius of curvature. What is the radius of curvature? The distance between pole to center of the curvature is nothing but the radius of the curvature, simply called as radius of the imaginary sphere. Once again I repeat another basics nana. Okay, now I discuss pole, center of curvature and radius of the curvature. Next I discuss nana principal focus. Next nana I discuss principal focus. Principal focus denoted by capital F nana. In this manner I discuss nana. For example, this is the concave mirror nana. Here, what is the general use of concave mirror? It can be generally used as a headlights in the car nana. Concave mirror generally uses headlight in the cars nana, and also it can be used as a shaving mirror. It is called as a shaving mirror. And dentist also, dental clinic, this mirror can be used. What is the use of convex mirror? Convex mirror generally used in the side mirrors in the car. Headlights are the concave, side mirrors convex, and concave mirrors valla another use is dental purpose. If dental clinical purpose, dental purpose, it mirror can be used, and the shaving purpose also this mirror can be used. Which mirror? Concave mirror. Here, look here now. This is the ray nana. Look here. This is the ray. These two rays are parallel. That beam is called parallel beam. These two rays are parallel. That beam is called parallel beam. Parallel beam means this light coming from sun. Sun is more distance from the earth. So that's why these parallel rays are also called as infinity rays. Ante simple ga ila unte parallel rays unte object distance taken as infinity. In the topic object distance denoted by u, here this u can be taken as infinity. In this ray diagram, here look here. These here reflected the light nana here, and reflected the light nana here. Look here. Both the rays here meet nana. This meeting point is nothing but the principal focus. Once again, what is the definition of principal focus? When the light rays coming from infinity distance fall on the mirror, these rays are meet at a single point. The single point is nothing but the principal focus. Here principal focus denoted by capital F. For example, I draw convex mirror nana. Look here, all of you look here. This is the principal axis nana. These rays are parallel rays. Parallel rays means light rays coming from infinity nana. Here these rays are object at infinity. These rays are here nana reflected here. It will be extended it meet in a single point. The single point is called as principal focus. Look here, Nana. Here reflected rays moves away, Nana. Here, look here. These rays here, these rays here. This is called diverging rays. That means the distance between the reflected rays increases. Here, ఇది distance ఇక్కడ. ఇది distance. ఇది ఇక్కడ వద్దలకి ఇది distance. అంటే the distance between the reflected rays increases. That rays are called diverging rays. Here, look here. ఇది ఇనీషియల్గా రిఫ్లెక్టెడ్ రేస్ డిస్టెన్స్. తర్వాత డిస్టెన్స్ ఏమైంది, గ్రాడ్యువల్లీ ఏమైంది, డిక్రీజెస్. ఈ రేకి డిస్టెన్స్, ద డిస్టెన్స్ బిట్వీన్ ద రిఫ్లెక్టెడ్ రేస్ గ్రాడ్యువల్లీ డిక్రీజెస్. దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ యాజ్ కన్వర్జింగ్ రేస్. వాట్ ఈస్ ద కన్వర్జింగ్ రేస్? ద డిస్టెన్స్ బిట్వీన్ ద రేస్, రిఫ్లెక్టెడ్ రేస్ డిక్రీజెస్ గ్రాడ్యువల్లీ. ఇదిగో ఇనీషియల్గా ఇక్కడ రిఫ్లెక్ట్ అయింది, ఇది డిస్టెన్స్. తర్వాత ఇది డిస్టెన్స్ బిట్వీన్ ద రేస్ gradually decreases. The rays are called as converging rays, that all rays meet at a single point. Here these are reflected rays, Nana. This is extended line only. This is the assumed line only. This is called extended line. Extended line is nothing but the virtual image. These are real lines meet. This image is called real image, simply called as concave mirror to produce the always real image. Convex mirror to produce the virtual image, because this is extended lines only. Here reflected rays, the distance between the rays increase. So that's why these rays are called diverging rays, Nana. Here these extended rays meet at a single point. The single point is nothing but the principal focus. Okay, once again I draw the diagram, Nana. Concave mirror, this is the concave mirror. This is the principal axis, Nana. This is the light ray. Light fall on the mirror, Nana. It will be reflect here. Okay, meet at a point. This point is called principal focus. This is called pole, Nana. Pole to principal focus is nothing but the small f, Nana. Here small f is nothing but the focal length, Nana. Here, look here. This is center point of the mirror is called pole. Meeting point is called principal focus. The distance between pole to principal focus is called focal length. The distance between pole to principal focus, this simply called as focal length, is nothing but the distance between pole to principal focus is nothing but the focal length, Nana. What is the SI unit of distance, Nana? Meter. What is the CGS unit of focal length, Nana? Centimeter. Okay, centimeter. Next, Nana, I discuss some ray diagrams in this manner. Some ray diagrams, Nana. Look here. It is very useful for to solve the problems in the convex mirror and concave mirror.